Good morning. It is 7:30 Central right now. So I'm sorry I couldn't connect a couple of minutes earlier as I usually try to do. So we'll give it a couple of minutes so that I can tag everybody and so that you can find me. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Maria. As you can see today, I am doing the practice from inside the house. So no pond for us today. Hopefully tomorrow I can go back to it. All right, it is time for us to start. So today is Monday and we're gonna do quantum jumping to set our intentions for the week. And today, good morning, Gina, we're gonna also fuse a little bit of Ho'oponopono into our quantum jumping and see how that works. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, both external and internal. Notice what's happening outside of you in the immediate environment and what's happening inward. How does it feel to be you today? Let your breath be soft and comfortable without any forcing. And invite effortlessness into your body, relaxing, softening from the inside out. As usual, to start the quantum jumping practice, I'm gonna guide you through 3 breaths. On each exhale, you're gonna visualize and mentally repeat the number 3 times, then the number 2, and then 1. Let's start with that. Take a nice inhale, not forced, soft, easy. And as you exhale, 3, 3, 3. Inhale. Exhale, 2, 2, 2. One more inhale when you're ready. And as you exhale, 1, 1, 1. Relax. Everything is fine. Remember that there is no way to do this practice wrong. Everything you see or don't see is exactly the way it's supposed to be. Everything you feel or don't feel, everything you know or don't, everything is perfect, just the way it is. Now visualize a staircase in front of you, 10 steps going down. I'm gonna count from 10 to 9. With each descending count, you're gonna take a step down, going deeper and deeper into your subconscious. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. You're at the bottom of your staircase. Take a moment to acknowledge that you're now at a different level of consciousness, relaxed, meditative level, where you can access your intuition, your inspiration more easily. Before we go any further behind the transit door to see what your intention for the week might be, so that the week is easy, productive, efficient, or however you want it to be, let's do 3 rounds of Ho'oponopono verse together, clearing our limiting beliefs, our subconscious blocks, before we find this intention, before we find this inspiration behind the transit door. Again, I'm going to repeat the verse like I have been doing in the past few days, making pauses in between lines so that you can repeat them with me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a nice inhale and exhale. And now find your transit door, behind which something is going to be revealed to you, verbally or through imagery or through just plain knowing. Something that will help you start the week on the right foot and make it the way you want it to be, easeful and fun. Find this door, put your hand on the doorknob, and I'm gonna count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, the door will open and you will step in. 1, 2, 3. The door opens, you come in. The door closes behind you. As always, look around, notice what you see or don't see, what you feel or don't feel. And remind yourself that whatever it is the way it's supposed to be. No way to do this wrong. See or imagine finding your twin self. And I'm going to give you a minute or so to spend with your twin self, asking them, what might it be that you need to connect with so that your week goes easily? in whatever way it's supposed to be. Remember, it can be a particular question you have, or it can be just staying in that place with your twin self, soaking up the energy. Is there any special message for you? Verbally, or maybe it's an image, or just a sense of knowing. Now it's time to say your goodbyes. Thank your twin self and walk back to the transit door. No rush, I'll give you a few moments for that. Put your hand on the doorknob. I'm gonna count from 1 to 3, and on the count of 3, the door will open and you'll step right back into this moment where I am waiting for you. 1, 2, 3. The door opens, you come back, and the door closes behind you. Everything is perfect. Walk back to the staircase. Now you see 10 steps going up. I'm gonna count from 1 to 10, and on each ascending count, you're gonna take a step up, returning back to your conscious, logical mind. Before we do that, remind yourself, every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. And now let's start going up the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're back at the top of the staircase, back to your conscious, logical mind, with some knowledge that will help you make this week easeful, make it flow exactly the way it's supposed to be, help you not fight anything and just flow with your inspiration, with your intention. One last time, I'm gonna count from 1 to 3, and on the count of 3, you'll open your eyes, be wide awake and alert, feeling better than you did before. 1, 2, 3. Eyes open, wide awake and alert, feeling better than you did before. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful morning and a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.